up inside this kitchen garden with me 4 weeks after planting. Oh my goodness, is it fun and full or what? All right, so these two back beds are symmetrical. They're exact same, so I'll walk you through one bed and the other bed's the same. And then these front two beds are the same, so we'll go through one bed, and then the two middle beds are the same. So let's start with these back beds. We have got peas. These are the Gardenary Sugar Snap peas already coming up. Look at these things, looking awesome. Tying those to the trellis is super important. We've got Swiss chard, snapdragon, some oregano. We just added tomatoes right alongside the trellis. We've got some radishes on their way. We've got spinach that we started from seed. And then we have 4 Brussels sprouts right on the back side of this trellis. We've got more tomatoes I just added, all these radishes, snapdragons, thyme, pansies, and then I just added some squash that's going to grow right over the edge of this bed. Come and check it out. So we've got Brussels sprouts, radishes, then we have our flowers and our spinach growing on the outside. Just added some marigolds. Check out this broccoli. Oh my goodness, looking very promising. So we've got broccoli, and then we have carrots coming up from seed. We've got these great onions growing to protect our greens. We added some cilantro down the middle, and then I just came in here and put in some California Wonder bell peppers that are going to grow right in the middle of all this broccoli. Here in the front, we've got cauliflower starting to really take off, still some onions. And look at these beets just starting to come up from seed. How pretty is that? So these are our Gardenary beet seeds, and then we have our Gardenary lettuce mix also coming up right here along the edge of the bed. We got pansies. Check out these beets here. So pretty, right? And a few more flowers and onions. Then we've got some sugar snap peas right next to this broccoli. It's just starting to break the soil level, and a few more peppers. So this bed on this side is the exact same as this one. So it's got broccoli, cauliflower, radishes, carrots, beets, all the good stuff. So now we're going to move around here. Just come down here so I can at least show you the bed, and then we'll turn around and head back toward the front. So broccoli here, peas on the trellis, cauliflowers, then lots of radishes growing here from seed, and we've got Brussels sprouts right here by the pea trellis, and then the peas are coming up this trellis as well. We added in this trellis, the one difference, instead of tomatoes like we have down there, we added cucumbers. So we got cucumbers coming up the trellis here. All right, let's flip around and head to the front side of the garden. All right, so on these front two beds, they're planted just the same. We've got 4 Brussels sprouts here, lots of cabbages, rows and rows of cabbages, and then collards in the front row. We also added some kale right here by the door so she can get these quickly. We've got spinach coming up from seed, our Gardenary seed. We've got snapdragons in the corners. And then we've got this beautiful lettuce that Connie said is a huge hit. She's got flowers going down the front of her bed as well. Radishes are right here. We planted radishes to the side of all the Brussels sprouts. They grow really well right next to them. It gives you this nice fast harvest while you wait for the long stuff. Then we've got these radishes growing back here. Oh, I just found something I gotta plant. I'm adding squash plants that are going to fall over the side of the bed. Oh, I did plant it right here. Add those after you pass your last frost. Look at this spinach. Oh my word, we got tons of spinach. We've got cabbage and collards, more lettuces. And then we head toward the center, the entrance area of the garden. And this is where we've got more sugar snap peas. You can tell this is a shadier part of the garden. So we're still growing similar things, but we're growing things that need less sun closer to the garden here. We put in our tomatoes. I was sure to put the smaller tomatoes up front. Those are going to grow with less sunshine. And then right here in the middle are our perennial beds. So we've got strawberries, parsley, rosemary, and I just added some sage and then also some cantaloupe. We're going to grow some cantaloupe right outside to let it overflow from these gardens. All right, this is Kitchen Garden Academy. This is Gardenary style gardening. at its very best. We've got raised beds, trellises, great soil, constant irrigation. We've got intensive planting, seasonal planting. We've got organic pest control working, and we have continuous harvest. This is a picture of what's possible when you follow this step by step for the Gardenary style of gardening, and I hope it inspires you to fill up whatever space you have with the Gardenary style of the kitchen garden, because man oh man, does it pay off.